Windows 11 on our laptop or desktop. So for this tutorial I will be using VMware. So I will be installing in virtual machine. So let's get started. First we open our VMware, and I have the ISO file, and the link will be provided in the description for the download, and it's torrent link, but file is genuine, and if it is blocked in your country, then you can use any VPN, and then you can just go to that link and you can download it. So we'll click on create a new virtual machine. I will select typical as it is recommended. I will select this one because I have ISO file, and let me go for the ISO file. Yeah, it's here, 64-bit. So this is the ISO file. It's of 4.7 GB. So let's just click open here. So it will show that could not detect which OS is the disk because my VMware is not upgraded. So we'll just click next, and here we will mention it as Microsoft Windows, and here see you cannot find Windows 11 because it haven't officially released, and my this VMware is also not updated. So the official release on July 24. So I will just select it as Windows 10 only, and I will click next. Okay, virtual machine name I will name it as Windows 11. Okay, and this will be the destination I want to save by default only. Next. So it's saying to choose the disk, so I will let it be 60 GB only, and I will customize the hardware. Just I will keep RAM as 4 GB. Everything I will let it be as usual. I will just click close and I will click finish. Once you will do that, the ISO file is already loaded. Now what we have to do is just we have to power on the virtual machine. Our setup is getting started. Press any key, we will press any key. So this is the logo of Windows 11. So it's getting installed. Let us see. Yeah, so here I will select language. I will let everything be default. I want the same language, everything default. I will just click next and I will click on install now. So the setup is starting. It will install in your VMware. So here it's asking for Windows key. So I don't have Windows key. So what I will do is I will just click I don't have a product key. Now here you can find different version which you want to install. Like this ISO file contains so many versions. So I want to install Windows 11 Pro 1. So I will go and select Windows 11 Pro, and I will click on next. Okay, here terms and conditions are there. If you want, you can read, and at last you can just click on I accept and then next. So see, we will get two options like normally how we install Windows. So here it is upgrade and custom. So I will not go for upgrade, and I will just click on custom install. Now see, this 60 GB just now we allocated. Now what we will do is we will just click next, and it will start to load the file. It will start to install the file. The installation time depends on the system configuration. It depends on your processor how fast it is. So it will be taking time. So till that I will pause the video, and once the installation is complete, then again I will resume the video. So still it's now it's saying to restart, so I will just click restart now. Let the VMware, again it will restart. The installation is same, just I am installing it on VMware, and you can even install through USB drive by making it bootable. Process will be same, just only difference is that there you have to make your pen drive bootable, and then you can plug it in your USB port, and then you can install. But I am installing on virtual machine. So let's see. Okay, the startup is same like Windows 10 how it was getting. I will will be providing the link for this. Actually, this is the leaked copy. The official release is on July 24th. So if you guys just want to use and just see how the features are of Windows 11, then you can just install on your VMware and just you can see. Once the official version is released, then you can upgrade it, your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So it's taking time. I will pause the video, and once the setup is complete, again I will resume the video. As you can see, still it's processing. It depends. Generally it will take max 5 minutes, but depending on your system configuration as well, mostly on your processor. So nice, we have nice audio, logging in audio, which was not present in Windows 10. So that we can say that it's new feature of Windows 11. Okay, now our setup is ready. So I will let it be default. You can choose your country or region from here, from the list, but I will let it be default. I will choose United States itself. Yes. Okay, keyboard I want this same, US only. Want to add second keyboard layout? If you want, you can click add layout and you can add your second keyboard as well. But as of now, I will just click on skip. I don't want to add anything extra. Okay, it's checking for the updates. See this animation, they have just revealed the animation. It's nice. It was not actually present in Windows 10. So it's taking time. So now here it will ask you setup for personal use or setup for work or school. So I will just click setup for personal use. You can even click setup for work or school as well. So I will one for personal use. I will select that and click next. Okay, now it is asking me for sign in. So I don't want to sign in as of now. So what I will do is I will just click offline account. If you want, you can just give your ID and you can sign in there in Microsoft if you have Microsoft ID. So what it's saying, yeah, sign in to enjoy. So if you want full range, then you can click next and again it will ask you to sign in. So as of now I don't want to sign in, so I will click limited experience. Okay, now it's asking for name, so we'll name it as Windows 11. Okay, we'll give system name as Windows 11. Okay, they are asking password, so I will be using password as QWERTY. Next, they are asking the password confirmation. Security question. Okay, let's select what's your first pet name. I will just name it as Tommy. You can select, there are variety options, you can select any three from there. Okay, security question 2, what's the name of city where you were born? Okay, let's use something like New York. Okay, next, childhood nickname, I will just give it as Windows. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now if you want to give your location, then you can let it be everything yes, just to go through it, read whatever you want, you just see. I don't want to give location, find my device, I will off everything. I don't want this also. Okay, accept. Let's see. Okay, nice animation. I actually I kind of like this animation, this thing. It's nice. Okay, hi there. Okay, getting things ready for us. Nice. Same, its installation is same like this our Windows 10 itself, but I think, see this animation, they have just added some animation, layer of animations and all. They have just rebuilt the animation thing. They have made it look more realistic now. It's eye catching now. Let's say this might take few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. I kind of like this animation, this background animation. It's nice, it's awesome, this background animation. Okay, so now our Windows 11 is installed on our PC. Okay, let's see. Nice, this taskbar, they have rebuilt the taskbar, and this is the space they are like in Windows 10. You can see in this Windows 10 we have a type here to search, but here it's not present. Maybe they will give this in final version. This is just leaked copy, so I guess that is there. So we'll click on this Windows icon. Okay. Nice, nice UI, like they have rebuilt the UI entirely. Let's go for settings. We'll check out, see Windows 11. Yeah. Okay. Windows security, I think this Windows is not activated, so I will be giving one more video how to activate this. So this is the new fresh look of our this Windows. Okay, nice. This, even these icons have rebuilt, like they have redesigned this icon. It's now looking more nice. It's nice now. Okay, program files, everything, see everything, it's like, it's nice. Let's check if they have pre-installed Word or what. No, Office, I think we have to install that. In this file it's not there, so okay, now let's check displays thing. Yeah, I was knowing this error will come, like it's the Windows is not activated, so I can't show you the black theme, but dark theme is nice in this thing. So you can activate the Windows, and then you can play with these settings, and you can change, you can check as per your needs. Like, see, so many themes are there, pre-built theme. So I think we need to activate the Windows before using these features. Yeah. Okay. Let's check this thing. Okay, let's check properties. Yeah, see, Windows 11 Pro. So it's nice. Just UI is, they have enhanced the UI. It's looking more deep than previous Windows 10. I kind of like this UI. It's nice. Okay, here is the search thing, like they have just given this space there. I think we have to search from here. Yeah. Okay, let's check this thing. Yeah, calculator is same, they haven't changed anything. Maybe I think they might change something, just it's leaked version. So if you just want to enjoy, then you can install this and you can just check out the features. And yeah, Windows, it will be officially released on 24th. Then we will come to know more about this thing. So yeah, it's nice. Okay, what I wanted to say is, see, yeah, when this is the thing. So like this, you can install Windows 11 in your VMware on your virtual machine, and you can even install clean install on your system. For clean install, you have to make your pen drive bootable with this ISO file. I will be giving the link for that ISO file in the description. You can download that. It's torrent link. So if by chance this torrent is blocked in your country, then you can use any VPN, and then you can just download that file from the link. It's around 4.7 GB. So yeah, it is nice. So thanks guys, that's all for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, just press the like button. I will be sharing more updates regarding this Windows 11 once the official release is officially it's released on 24th. So that's all for this video. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.